Yo, what's going on, everybody? What's going on? Right, so you can see I'm on volatility 50 index, so I'm just going to go ahead and buy on this one. Right, so why am I buying? Right, simple. Pip this. Right, if I go to the H4 time frame, basically you can see, first of all, I always mark my charts. Right, I always identify key areas of value. Right, so the market, right, came from down here, right, rose all the way up, right, came to this level of resistance, right, it got rejected, it retraced, and then went up like that, came to this next level of resistance, it got rejected, right, then came swiftly to the downside, right, and broke this support, right, and then went to test here on this next support. Right, there's a mini support here, you can see there's a touch here, right, and touch for the third time, and went all the way up. Right, so as the market is pushing to the upside, right, we can see it's pushing to the upside like this. Right, we can see the market is forming a flag pattern. You can see it's a nice flag pattern over there. Right, it is forming this flag pattern at this level of it's a mini resistance. Right, on the lower time frames it's an actual resistance, but on the H4 time frame it's a mini resistance. Right, so if I'm to zoom in to go to one time frame lower, we can see there are a lot of consolidation right here. The market came from here after forming a double bottom. You can see it's a double bottom over here, right, and then rose all the way up. It came to this level. You can see there's a touch here. Actually, this pattern was you can see it was a head and shoulder pattern. You can see this left shoulder is the head, this the right shoulder over there, right, and this is the neckline, right, and we know that the neckline, it is a strong level, right. So basically we can see the market tested, it broke down here and came to test at the neckline right here and continued dropping, right. So this was what this is a resistance level, right, so which was tested by the market here, right, and then this time the market is coming to this zone right here, right. So we can see that there is a higher potential that the market is going to break this level. The reason being is that if this level was going to hold and reject or push the market to the downside, right, the market was not going to consolidate like this. If you see the market consolidating near an area of level, maybe of support or resistance, it means that there's a higher potential that the market is gaining energy so that it can break above or below that level. In this case, it wants to break above this support, right. So that being done and said, we can see we've already bought like some 5 lots right here, right. So we're just waiting for the market to give us this push that we're anticipating, right. So basically I'm going to place my stop loss around here. That's my stop loss over there, right. And then for my take profit target, right, I have drawn these 2 lines here, right. First of all, you can see the reason why I drew this line, there is this thing over here, right. We've got a mini supply over here, right. You can see this supply area over here, right. And then also secondly, we've got this one over here. So basically in this entire zone right here, right, this entire zone over there, right, I expect the market to sell off because there is a strong supply over there, right. There is some supply areas in this zone, right. So right, on a smaller time frame, like on the H1 time frame, right, this is a supply, right, and the market might reject from this level, right. And then if I'm to remove it and go to the H4 time frame, right, like that, we can see that the market, right, it has actually a higher potential to come to these levels over here, right. It can, if it breaks above this resistance, the market is coming to this next level of supply and resistance. So if the market breaks above this previous high, it might be coming to this level right here, right. If the market and say breaks above here, it might be coming to this next one. So yeah guys, here we are, right. So you can see we have pushed all the way up. We have broken above this previous resistance over here, right. And since we've got 5 lots, right, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to take partials, right, and hold the rest to my TP over here. So I'm just going to go ahead, close at least 3 lots and remain with 2, right. So I'm just going to go ahead and close 3 lots, right, and remain with 2, right, from 5. And here, because the market might actually come here, retrace, and then continue shooting all the way to the upside, right? So as I've closed my my partials, right, so I'm going to revise my stop loss. I'm just going to put it here, right, just below this swing low right here, right? Of course, when the market comes here, it's going to be pushed up, right, if the market is going to continue going to the upside, right? But if you see the market coming and breaking below this low here, then we know that the market is reversed, right? So basically I've secured partials, right? I'm just going to hold. Yo, so here we are, right? A quick update on our trade V50, right? So you can see, right, we broke above this resistance, right, and then we came up all the way right here. You remember I took my my partials here, right, and then the market has retraced, right, because I anticipated that market might retrace, right, and then before continuing to the upside, right? Yo, what's up everybody? So here we are, right? We can see, right, the market is taking out our take profit over here, right? You can see like it came with this is our 4-hour candle, right? One was still like watching the market, and then it retraced here, right? The moment it was retracing over here, I was now asleep, right? It was now like past midnight my side, right? And then the market shot up with this bull candle right here, and it closed my TP right here, right? Smashed my TP, right? And the market has continued going up like that, right? So that is it for V50 trade. That's it. That's how we trade it. That's how we kill the markets on a daily, right? Black Diamond right here, signing out. Peace.